So it's been a while since I filmed anything. It's been about a month. But now I have another mod, just like the last video of the intercooler, and George is filming again. Thanks, George.
Yo.
Hey. So today I have the BMW Performance shift knob, and it's weighted. It's super small. It's tiny compared to the OEM one, and it's really heavy. And then I also bought the BMW Performance Alcantara shift boot. So I think that will go really nice because there's Alcantara on this. We're just gonna get right into it. This is gonna be a short video. It'll probably only take us a couple minutes. But the first step is I'm gonna put my foot on the brake, take the e-brake down. I'm gonna put this stuff down here. And I'm gonna start pulling on the shift boot. It should pop out relatively easy. There's little clips on like literally every side of this boot.
Yeah, of course.
I don't really care if I break this because I'm probably not using it. Alright.
Oh, that was easy.
So that's off. So I just want to do that before I took off the shift knob, just in case they were connected. So now, I've heard this is the hard part. And I don't want to fucking punch myself. So you put it into second gear. And I just pull up. I try not to punch myself. Okay.
Oh.
Not bad. Maybe it's been taken off before. Here's the OEM one, super tall. I'll show you comparison. New one. So as you can see, the new one's super short. I'm shaking. I've had too much coffee today. So the main reason I got rid of this is because it's been, the chrome trim right here is been like flaking off and actually scratches my hand every time I shift. And it just doesn't feel right. They call this the broomstick because it's so long and it's like a weird shape. And the new one is a lot heavier. Like that one literally feels like it has no weight to it, and this feels like solid metal, which is really nice. So next step, obviously taking this off. I'll put it back into neutral. Get a good look at that. That's pretty cool.
It was farther down than I thought.
I'm gonna put this back up to get off the brake. And then this one should just slide right on. Find the hole. Sometimes it's hard to find the hole. You gotta look.
You gotta find it, you gotta search for it, you gotta feel for it. It's most important.
And then, that's true. And then these will just clip in. Relatively easy. Okay, maybe not. Clip, clip. Boom. Make sure it's sitting flat, and you can just feel the plastic. Make sure it's flat all the way around. Stuff this baby down as far as it can go. And that looks sexy. And then it's time. It's a little dirty already. So you put it on, and then you line up the teeth like that, and then boom, smack it in. A couple more times for good measure. Yeah. And then that's pretty much it. So let's see how it feels. Damn, it's low. Like with the e-brake up, it feels weird.
First reaction.
Oh. Ooh, fifth is weird. That feels good though. It makes it feel a lot shorter, just because of the height of the boot or of the shift knob, and it's tiny. But yeah, I'll have to test this out. Maybe we'll get some more clips later of me driving with this, and I'm gonna yeet it into gear, see how fast I can shift. Because that was one issue I had with the other one. The throw was so long because the shift knob was so tall. So hopefully this one will help with being able to.
Maybe you can
like
no
that.
lift shift now. Is that how it works?
No. I wish. I pretty much do it anyways.
Yeah.
I don't come off all the way. but I never go flat. Yeah, this feels really nice. And it looks, in my opinion, it looks way better than the OEM one. So I actually have another interior piece coming that is Alcantara as well. So that's the reason I got this one, because it will kind of all flow together. Something that I plan to do in the future, which who knows if it will ever happen, because I've only really seen this on like race cars, is I want to get Alcantara for the whole dashboard. Just this piece up here. And I think it'd look really sick and flow with everything else that's going to be Alcantara in my interior.
Dude, that's like so. It's like so small. It's like right there in the palm of your hand.
I know, it feels super small because I've felt this a couple times because a couple of my friends have it, and it feels tiny compared to the OEM one.
First shift.
Wow.
Whoa, that shift kind of sucked.
Oh, you talking shit already?
First neutral.
First neutral?
Second first.
Wow, it's so much shorter. Feels great. It's a new car. Lovely night. Feels great. Super easy. Makes it much easier. I can literally just use my wrist.
Yeah, it looks like no effort. You're putting no effort.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Use code N54 Builds.
I don't even, where are we? I've never gone this way.
Just keep going around.
Dude, it's like really short. It's kind of crazy. My arm is like so much further down here.
Yeah, it's true. It's way shorter.
It's like easier to drive though. The throws aren't so crazy.
What's up?
What are we doing right now?
I just got a new delivery from ECS Tuning.
Oh!
And then we're gonna go. It's an easy, simple mod.
Oh! I just got shot. Oh shit!
Wait, watch your car.
Check both ways. Safety first, baby. Oh, it's so hot in here.
It's so hot.
God damn. Ow!
Dude,
Ah, my back. Oh my god. Oh!
it's so hot.
Shit. Hey. Oh!
Oh shit. Okay, so
Yeah, dude, that looks way better than yours.
So I
Your
got-
thing is crusty.
it's
Oh my
plastic.
god.
It's plastic. It's full plastic. All right, so here my first mod was this Devoted Society wristband. Right that out of the way.
This airplane.
Did you say second? It's second. I've never done this before.
Oh wait, you might want to take. Oh no, it's not attached.
Yeah.
You're good. I think. Oh my god! What the? Oh! Oh shit! God damn.
It's second, right? I've never done this before.
Yeah, and then you just pull up. Don't hit your face though. Keep your foot on the
I'm gonna
brake.
get shot by a freaking Nerf gun.
Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy.
Ugh.
See, it's the same thing.
Did you just take off your shift knob?
Wait, compare the sizes.
Alright, so this is the one I got from ECS Tuning. Oh,
It's literally
mine's-
the same.
No, mine's way bigger. Dude, feel the difference.
Wait, yours is heavier.
Mine's way bigger.
So you, yeah, depends what you like. But the chrome looks kind of cool.
Dude, that's freaking sick.
So a lot of people think that you have to swap your transmission if you want a 6-speed. So George's car has a 5-speed, but we just gave him a 6-speed just by doing the shift knob. So as you can see, 6 gears on that knob.
And I got race mode.
Oh, race mode
Race
too.
mode.
Oh,
So
it's almost by by
that's
first.
Right here, first, second, third, fourth. Then I go over to fifth, and then sixth. I just fucking.
Oh yeah, you have to.
Six.
For 6, I think you just have to do more like
Just shove it in
you
there.
have to shove it in harder, and then you'll get 6.
Yeah.
I heard there's just a break-in period where you can't get it, but like if you keep shoving it there in that in the 6th spot, then you'll get it.
Yeah, I think over time, if I shove it in there enough, it'll make its own.
Yeah, you have experience with that, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Lots of experience shoving it in there.
Nice.
And once I get it in there, the 6th gear actually gives me about 400 more horsepower.
No way.
Yeah.
400? That's a lot, dude. Are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
Where'd you read that?
I didn't read that. I made it.
Are we going for a drive?
You want to go for a drive? Dude, feel this.
Feels like my car. It's weird. Literally, it feels like you stole my car.
Feels like I stole your car. 335i.
Do you like it or no?
I think it's cool.
You can always switch back too. Don't do it too much though, because you'll wear out like the clamps in it.
What?
Don't switch back and forth too much.
I think I'm gonna switch it every day. I think Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays I'm gonna do your shift knob.
Yeah.
And then Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. Half of Sunday though, not the full Sunday.
Oh, so you put a lot of thought into this already.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, this is a 5-minute clip, so I'm gonna go. And it's hot as fuck in here.
Dude, that's freaking.
Quick recap on the new shift knob and boot. Obviously, the boot doesn't feel any different, but it looks great and it matches the new shift knob. But the shift knob feels amazing because it's weighted and it is much shorter. It's about that much shorter than the OEM knob. So I love it. It feels really nice, super crisp. If you feel like your OEM shift knob is kind of like clunky feeling or the throw is too long, get a shorter shift knob and it will like completely change the experience. It's much easier to rev match and downshift, and shifts are just much quicker. So I definitely recommend this. I got this off ECS Tuning, so if you want the same one, I'd recommend going there. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And another interior mod is coming very soon, so that's another reason to subscribe so you can see that. But thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.